What's going on, guys? It's August 23rd, 2021. We got our second jumbo box of Topps Chrome Baseball 2021 random team. We are going to be rolling the dice for the random, pairing everyone up. We only re-roll if we get snake eyes, and if there's multiple teams on a card, then we will randomize between the teams on the card at the end. So here's for the random. How many times we random each list? 4 times. We've got 3 and 1, so we're going to randomize each list 4 times. I'm going to take you guys over here to see who is in the break. All right, so we got Derek K, Jason S, Adam G, Mike M, Ike M2, Howard S, Joe I, Michael G, Mike Z2, Jeremy F, Jason U, Kevin Y2, and then we have that copied and pasted for the rest of the way down. Derek K, Jason S, Adam G, Mike M, Ike M2, Howard S, Joe I, Michael G, Mike Z2, Jeremy F, Jason U, and Kevin Y2. Derek K on top, Kevin Y on bottom. Like I said, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4th final time. Derek K on top, and Ike M on bottom. And for the teams, Diamondbacks on top and Nationals on bottom. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final time. Oakland A's on top and Marlins on bottom. Let's sort it. Adam G with the Indians and Rays, Derek K with the A's and White Sox, Howard S with the Yankees and Nationals, Ike M with the Dodgers, Reds, Mets, and Marlins, Jason S with the Cardinals and Astros, Jason U with the Tigers and the Cubs, Jeremy F with the Pirates and the Braves, Diamondbacks and Rockies goes to Joe I, Kevin Y with the Twins, Royals, Rangers, and Mariners, Michael G with the Blue Jays and Angels, Mike M with the Padres and Red Sox, and Mike Z with the Phillies, Brewers, Orioles, and Giants. So I'm going to give you guys about a minute to make trades if you would like. Otherwise, we're just going to get started. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, about another 30 seconds or so, and then we'll get started. All right. Let me get started. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully we can pull something crazy. It's of course the plan, isn't it? It's the plan every time we rip. Pull something obnoxiously crazy. Someone's gonna throw me out of my seat. That's an empty box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good luck. Maybe just silvers to start off. I don't know. Verlander, Archer, Castro, Donaldson, Reimer, Kiermaier, Swanson, Devers, Woodruff, Arenado, Bryant. First one, we're starting off with the Rafael Devers. just a Rising or Prismatic Power silver. Well, that's a nice one. Mike Trout silver throwback, and a Masahiro Tanaka silver. One left in jersey. Nice. We can get that one ripped today too. And we're literally gonna have 0 breaks left. All right, we got a Kluber, Soler, Ian Anderson rookie, Brinson, McClanahan rookie, Hayes, Real Muto, Biggio, Adams, Trevor Bauer. Got a future stars of Nick Solak, Mike Yashemsky, Prism, not numbered, and a Chris Davis. Prism. Let me just get these rookies real quick. The Trout's nice. Oh, I think we got a redemption. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Lorenzo Cain, Nick Senzel, Rizzo, Suarez, Mets, Nola, Tanaka, DeYoung, Maeda, Trout base. Prism. Alejandro Kirk. Got a redemption. Sam Huff, rookie auto. Will we know if it's numbered? Not yet. Don't think it is, but. And then a Paul DeYoung silver base. For the Rangers. All right. Don't think we pulled an auto. Walsh, Bell, Freeman, Martinez, Castillo, Contreras, Mondesi, Molina, Jinru, Yinru, Jose Ramirez, Prismatic Power, Dylan Carlson, rookie silver throwback. Oh, we did get an auto actually. Yeah. Brent Rooker, rookie auto for the Twins, and an Evan Longoria silver. Brent Rooker. Zing. Beauty. Prismatic Power. That is. Oh, I guess a base. Looks like it would be a silver, but whatever Topps calls it. Prism. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. What are the gold waves? Gold? Those brothers are out of 50, so those are short printed. Machado, Sam Huff rookie. Wilson Ramos, Bubic, Gray, Chisholm, Arrieta, Devin Williams, Future Stars, Brady Singer, rookie throwback, rookie Jazz Chisholm, and Tony Gonzalez, silver, and that is going to be numbered 39 of 50. Short printed rookie gold wave. Just the base, not numbered. Or I'm sorry, not numbered, but not non-autoed. Beauty. Never complain about some gold in your packs. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Those are some beauties, man. And that Jazz Chisholm is for the Marlins.
Supplies, any blasters that we need, and then make some boxes.
I'm just going to show this real quick, because what the heck, Topps. Who took a bite out of this card? Bro, do you see that? Who took a bite out of it? Mike Clevenger. I mean, thank goodness it's not anything special, but Jose Altuve, baseball. David Peterson, hyper, and a Casey Mize, rookie silver. That's a nice one. So at least we're getting some rookie color. Even though it might not be the craziest. Beauty. Baseball. We still got 6 packs left. I think we're halfway done. Alright, we might have an auto in here. Casey Mize base, Will Smith, Ozuna, Jimenez rookie, Garrett Crochet rookie, Buster Posey, Noah Syndergaard, hyper, Victor Gonzalez, on-card auto, and a Mark Canha. So this is our 3rd auto. Our 3rd auto out of this box. We should have 5 total autos, of course. We should be getting some more numbered. I feel like we're not getting enough numbered. We're like, we have 1 numbered card. Just a little weird, you know. It'll probably come in the second half of this box, but still a little odd. Whoa. What the heck? Cool color. Jersey sold out. Alright. We'll get that one started soon too. Medina rookie. I noticed that Tatis also has some like variations. Oh, base image variation. This is a variation. Like I think, never mind, Ohtani doesn't have one. We'll have to look, but Ryan Mountcastle, Jordan Alvarez, Future Stars, Kyle Lewis, silver, rookie, Shane McClanahan, and a Gio Urshela, silver. And the Shane McClanahan is 62 of 199, but a very nice looking, like, Aqua Wave, maybe? I don't know. Cool. Out of 199. Awesome, though. I'm glad that Jersey sold out. We'll be able to get that one going after this. 4 packs left. I think we should have 2 more autos. I think. Nice, we got a green wave for green. Mandrigal. Dalton Varsho. Leota Tavares. Campusano. Gleyber Torres. Casey Mize throwback silver. Masahiro Tanaka. And an Andre Jimenez rookie silver. Casey Mize, let's go. The Masahiro Tanaka is out of 99. 76 of 99. And we have the Andre Jimenez silver. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what we can pull from here. Hyper or Prism, whatever they call it. David Garcia. Lewin Diaz. Tristan McKenzie. Kybert Ruiz. David Peterson. Jorge Posada. Luke Voigt. And a DJ Lemon. Dude, look at this. 3 Yankees in a row. A little interesting there. Tops. Very interesting. 3 Yankees in a row. Did they know we were doing this box? Dang, did we get another base jersey or base auto? Jake Cronenworth. Apostle. Kyle Lewis, Future Stars. Xander Bogaerts, Hyper. Daz Cameron, on-card rookie auto. And Ramon Laureano. Like I said, we'll get
We don't have one
we're gonna get that jersey break going after after this. Final pack of this box. We have one more auto and it looks like a base. Brian Hayes. Spencer Howard. 99, is that a... That one's a base image variation, actually. Evan White. On this list.
So we do have a partial case of 138s. 138s? Yeah.
Aaron Alvarez, Brian Hayes. Throwback retro rookie. Alex Kirilloff. On-card auto. Tyler Stevenson. And that's going to do it for the break. That was not bad of a box. It's cool just seeing all the different color. Like that gold wave was nice. The aqua wave was really cool looking. Thank you to everyone who joined. Congrats to everyone who hit something. I don't think we have any breaks on the store right now, so stay tuned. We will have them most likely tomorrow Tomorrow we should have more breaks up on the store if you guys want to check it out. Every day we post, or we do breaks, personal breaks, group breaks, whatever the case may be. So anyway, like I said, we'll get these packaged up and shipped out. Appreciate you guys for joining. We hope you have a good one.